Well, hey everyone, I'm Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, for most of our lives, most people have thought of medical industry as becoming doctors. But medical industry is not just about doctors. Sure, they are the central piece to the medical industry, but so are many other professions. And today, I have a very interesting and amazing career for you. The career has very high demand and is not very competitive like doctors. But before I begin this video, I know it could be really confusing on selecting the right career for yourself, and a lot of people struggle with it. But you don't have to. I have created a super powerful workbook for you based on my very special 4D career development model that you can literally save you a ton of hours and most importantly, will save you from a lot of stress. It's one guide you must have for your career development journey. And you can download this guide for free by clicking on the link in the description box. The aging population today requires a high demand for personalized care as well as advances in the field that make this area more exciting than ever before. The medical and health industry is booming with opportunities for those looking to find long-term, fulfilling work. And diseases like COVID-19 have accelerated the need for proper healthcare worldwide. Countries have started investing more and more in their healthcare infrastructure, leading to a high demand of jobs in this field. So, we are going to talk about one such profession in demand today, which is medical and health services management. In this video, I will talk about 5 key points. What is medical and healthcare service management? What is the future scope and job opportunities in this career? What skills are required to be medical and health services management? Roles and responsibilities of this career. And then complete roadmap on how to build your career in medical and health services management. So if you are looking for a career with plenty of opportunities for growth, medical services management could be the perfect career for you. Let's hit it up for medical and healthcare services. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. So let's start with basic. What is the medical and health services career all about? Well, medical and health management is a field that deals with the planners, directors, and coordinators who work behind the scenes to keep hospitals, nursing homes, group practices, and other healthcare facilities running efficiently. They're responsible for managing the day-to-day operations, including working with doctors on patients' care plan. They use public health knowledge as well as dedication to improve communities they serve by ensuring quality service delivery throughout all levels in an effortless manner. Medical and health services managers are the hidden backbone of our healthcare system. These hardworking individuals make sure that hospitals, clinics, or other organizations run smoothly by keeping an eye on things like timely delivery, hospital room allocation, staff morale levels, for example. MNHS managers work closely together across disciplines such as nurses or administrative staff, so everyone can be aware of what's going down at any given time. When you think of the most important people in your life, this is probably not one that comes to your mind. However, for those working within hospitals and healthcare facilities across the world, medical professionals such as nurses or doctors who work day in, day out with patients suffering from chronic illness, administrators coordinate staff members' schedules so that they can provide quality patient services. Medical services managers or healthcare services management professionals are vital to the overall healthcare organization and efficacy of the healthcare system in general. They work primarily in hospitals with doctors, nurses, and other health professionals. They often take care of the insurance proceedings and interact with patients and medical staff to ensure care is delivered accurately and promptly. Well, let's understand more about this career with the future scope, salary offer, top companies hiring for this career. So let's understand why this is really important. Well, in the coming years, there will be an increased demand for more medical and health services managers as baby boomers age. This generation accounts for about 1/3 of all people in the world today, but it is expected to account for nearly about 44% all healthcare spending by 2032, due to largely because they are less healthy than other groups with similar demographics. In addition, many hospitals are seeing growth within group practices, which requires managing both human resources while also providing quality care. The challenge for a manager in the healthcare field is that you have oversight and responsibility for everyone and everything in the organization. Medical and health services manager have a great amount of responsibility. Not only do they manage the demands of the diverse range of patients, but they must also meet the expectations of upper management, all while managing a team of other healthcare professionals. The job can be both challenging and rewarding. This career has great future scope, and it is an important career field in years to come. Recently, the US Bureau of Labor Statistics projected that job opportunities for medical and health services managers would expand rapidly at a rate of approximately 18% between 2020 to about 2030. In that period, an estimated of over 1 lakh jobs or 100,000 jobs would open up. This rate of growth is well above the national average, which is about 5%. It is also considered among the top 10 professions rapidly growing in recent years worldwide. So there's a huge demand in this career. So, of the major roles that you can get after the medical and health services management qualification are medical director, clinical manager, health director, practice manager, clinical supervisor, nursing home administrator, laboratory manager, director of surgical services, office manager, and services coordinator are amongst many. Companies that offer jobs in these roles are surely all major hospitals and healthcare brands. United Health Group, Medtronic, Abbott Laboratories, CVS, University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, Boston Consulting Group, Bajaj Healthcare, SBI Insurance, and all those things, even Fortis and all other healthcare, and many, many more. When we talk about an average salary for a medical and health services manager role these days in the job market, for an entry level is about 60,000 to about 80,000 US dollar annually. Generally, government agencies or private institutions offer salary closer to this number, though salaries can vary significantly across institution and geographical regions. Other factors that impact salaries include experience level and education background. And for more experienced roles can go up to somewhere between $150,000 to $200,000 annually, which is excellent for almost everyone. Now that we know there's a huge growth in the career, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities and ideal workday in this profession. The medical and health services managers need a versatile skill set to succeed in this dynamic work environment of hospitals, community health organizations, insurance company, clinics, and other healthcare organizations. These core competencies include the following. First is management and administration. Like the name suggests, this would be the first skill trait for any manager. On any given day, medical services managers tackle multiple congruent responsibilities, sometimes within short time frames, including time management, budgets, and supervising teams. The next comes communication and interpersonal relations. Medical and health services managers have a lot of communication responsibilities. They must listen well, write clearly so there are no mistakes or confusion on their behalf when talking with other people in the community, as well as healthcare professionals such as patients and doctors, and also all the other areas of like nurses or other medicine people. Now, they also require excellent public speaking skills because sometimes you may need to address some officials. So it's very important. Next comes compassion. Managers in the medical and healthcare services field work with people who are facing challenges and really health problems, such as struggling from serious health issues or maybe mental illness or substance abuse or anything. Having compassion to one's circumstances will help you figure out a better healthcare route for the patient, and patient will feel better. Next is analysis and decision making. Medical and health services managers are in charge of interpreting data for their organizations, which can be challenging when new regulations come in. They also need the ability to make quick decisions about resources while maintaining patient quality care. Sometimes that's difficult without a deep understanding or experience with whatever types of analytics is being used. You may need in some cases some technical skills as well for organizations who use regularly updated software for medical records. Other basic skills can include problem solving, leadership skills, team building, ability to perform under pressure. That's very important because in a setting of a healthcare, that is a required trait. Another, focus and attention to detail, research skills, creative and logical thinking, writing reports, etc. Now let's talk about what exactly a medical and health services manager does. Medical and health services managers carry out diverse responsibilities across many departments. Their primarily concern, regardless of where they work, is to ensure top quality care is delivered to patients. General operations run efficiently and staff are motivated and satisfied. It's the overall administration of the healthcare, either a hospital or a healthcare clinic. Health services managers are responsible for many of the operational duties in the hospital or medical setting. Common duties include creating and maintaining records, managing day-to-day records of the facility, overseeing the training and recruitment of hospital staff, creating work schedules for healthcare providers like doctors and nurses, coordinating the delivery of care and services by healthcare team, and maintaining close communication with medical leadership and directors, organizing the OPTs and other. To put it simply, medical and health services managers combine business and healthcare priorities to ensure hospitals function smoothly as possible. Well, now let's look into the most curious section on how to pursue this career with complete step-by-step roadmap for school students, college students, and professionals who wish to switch or enhance skills for better use. If you're in high school, you can start by exploring bachelor's degree. Now that's the first step. So earning a bachelor's degree, something in the healthcare field, is required. Now, something which is healthcare management or even biology or even business minor with the focus on healthcare is super important. Now, medical and health services management or hospital administration or hospital management is a specialized degree. And I usually don't recommend students to go for such specific degree in the undergraduate. I generally recommend go for a broader degree. So going for biology or other related fields in healthcare would be much better for you because you're unsure right now whether it's the right field for you or not. So go for a broader degree. So a degree in any medical field or even in any connected field can be of great use. You can explore the field with a couple of month-long introductory courses on online platforms like Coursera, edX, and all. Even a lot of universities have launched specific courses in healthcare management that will be worth a shot before setting up for them. And I have a few links attached for your reference. If you're already pursuing your undergraduate career in related field of biology, healthcare, public health, then you can absolutely take up master's degree, which is in medical and healthcare services or healthcare management or healthcare administrator. Now, this will help you become an expert in this field. If you're starting new and have no knowledge of this field, but you have interest in healthcare, then take up some online courses or short courses like associate course or a certification course in healthcare administration. Medical and health services management, as I said before, is specialized degree. So it is mostly offered at a master's level. And in some cases, a specialization under other course of masters. It's primarily about managing the perfect balance between business and medicine. And a lot of universities are offering programs that can educate you to be in medical and health services management. Some such universities that have world-class programs in hospital management and hospital administration are Columbia University, USC, Johns Hopkins, University of Michigan, University of Minnesota, University of Toronto, UBC, University of Essex, SRH Berlin, AIMS, and many more. If you're looking for a program that will teach you skills in the field of this education, then I recommend taking some time to examine each university's curriculum. Or if you're unable to do your research by yourself, don't worry, we are here for you. You can contact me or my team who are helping for the last 12 years in helping students and maybe if you're a parent, helping your children get ready for the career. For the ones who aren't sure whether you should take this course or not, I would recommend putting some time in between your graduation and post-graduation and get some experience in the field before committing to the post-grad. A job or internship in specifically in healthcare sector and hospitals or clinics can be best thing for you. Now for professionals, medical and health services managers work closely with numerous teams like including your medical teams, nurses, insurance agents, researchers, and patients to make sure everything sails smoothly. The MNHS manager are usually an in-house within a hospital premises. So if you are already in the medical field and are looking for an alternative career, this might be a great opportunity for you. Although it's never easy to jump from one specialization to the other, but it's not that hard either. You need proper motivation and correct guidance to do so. So if you want to switch into this field in the middle of your career, then knowledge and interest always comes first for sure. If you come from a similar field, your skill set will be similar given few needed upgrades, maybe a short course, maybe an associate course. But if you don't have any prior experience in the field, I would recommend to advance your skills with another shorter duration courses for sure before making the switch. Start small. Try to take some courses to learn more about the field along with the possibility of a master's degree in healthcare management or healthcare administration, where you can learn and apply the knowledge. Once you have enough confidence in the subject and command of the required skills, start applying for bigger roles. Lastly, I want to tell you, no matter what stage you are, whether you are a college student or a working professional or even a high school student, or maybe a parent watching this video, no matter if this is your first time you are learning about this career, or you're already working to build your skill set in this career, whether you're 100% sure or you are indecisive, it is absolutely okay. Yes, it's okay. There are no rights or wrongs in career selection. It's about learning, experimenting, and becoming better. If you're indecisive, that is absolutely okay. If you need individual advice, reach out to us and we will make sure to help you find the right career for yourself or for your child. No matter what stage you are, we are here to mentor you. I'm sure you will find your way to build an extraordinary life. Well, in the end, if you're a creative person, have interest in medicine and management and compassionate, have done a lot of volunteer work, then success as a medical and health manager should come easily to you. And this could be the right career for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon if you have not already done so. Also remember to download the very important 4D career development workbook that I have created specially for you. Click on the link in the description box. I will see you shortly with another amazing video on career, college admission, and living extraordinary. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.